welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a great weekend. I'm back again with this week's CVS haul, and thank you all for joining me once again. If this is your first time here, I would like to welcome you, and I also like to have you as a subscriber. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. And if you have any question, leave it in the comment section and I'll make sure I get to it. This week, CVS is a little slow because of the CRTs and also the deals they have going on. So make sure you're checking your coupons and the CRTs you have. That way you can be able to save more. And if you don't buy your insert, check coupons.com because you can also be able to print out some good coupons. I was able to get all these items for free and a $3.81 money maker. Let me show you guys how I did it. The first deal we'll talk about will be on the CoverGirl. It's on the deal of buy two, get $6 back. So I'll pick up two of the eye pencils at $6.79 each. I'll use the $4 mystery coupon we got last week, mystery CRT. And I also use a $2 coupon for each one of the eye pencils. If you have your smart source, there's a better coupon there of $3 off, but I got mine from coupons.com, and we also have one in our app. I have a 4 off of 40 net purchase CRT that will include in this transaction. So to continue on, I will add the Colgate deal. The deal this week is buy two, get $4 back, and it's on sale for $3.49. So I'll pick up two, and I'll use a $1 digital coupon in the app for each one of them. Everybody's supposed to have 3 of those. To complete this transaction and get to $40, I'll pick up the Hallmark items. It's not giving back any extra care box, but I have $12 worth of CRTs. I have 4 of the $3 off of 6 Hallmark CRT. So I'll pick this tissue up at $1.99 each. One of them will adjust down, so make sure you're doing this with the cashier, because if you use the self-checkout, the final $3 will not adjust down. These are all the items I'll be picking up with this transaction. You can see that I added the Clean and Clear. I didn't film that because there are some people over there. It's priced at $7.49. And I'll be showing you all the CRTs and coupons I'll use for this. For the Hallmark, I only have 2 of them printed out. One of them expired yesterday, but my store accepts few days expired CRTs and extra care box. And I have 2 in my account already. So everything will come up to $12, making all items free. And I also have the 4 off of 40 net purchase CRT that will help bring all this down. You can see the $2 CRT I'll be using for the Clean and Clear. I have another $2.50 CRT and a digital coupon of $2.50. I'll also use a $1 coupon, digital coupon for each one of the Colgate. And CoverGirl, I'm using a $2 paper coupon I got from coupons.com. If you have your smart source, that will be a better deal because we have a $3 there. So I'll end up paying just $8.28, and I'll get $6 back for the CoverGirl and $4 back for the Colgate. I will go check out and I'll show you my receipt. Now you can see my receipt and how all the coupons are applied. The only different thing here is I added the Olay facial cleanser because I didn't want to pay much out of pocket. I picked it up at $7.29. I used a $4 CRT and a $2 digital coupon. And I realized I have 5 of those Hallmark CRT, so I changed one of the tissue to a box that cost $4.99, and it still ended up being free. That's my $6 for doing the CoverGirl, buying 2 of the CoverGirl, and also that's the $4 for buying 2 of the Colgate. Everything worked out as I wanted it to work out. Even work out better. I got a better Hallmark item. That's the $4.99. That's why I said make sure you're checking your CRT. That way you can save more. This is part of the July free beauty item when you spend $30. So all I did was pick up the nail clip at $2.69, and I used the free beauty CRT for it. I used the self-checkout with this particular transaction because I just want to do this by itself. For the free beauty items, I like to do it by itself because sometimes with the net purchase CRT, it doesn't work out fine for me. The next transaction will be on the spend $30, get $10 back. And I'll be getting the Hawaiian Aloha. I'll pick 4 of those up. And I will also get the Linen and Sky. I will pick 4 of those up also. And these are on sale for $3.24. To get to $30, I will get 2 of the small spaces, the one with the Febreze scent. I like that smell, so I'll get 2 of that also. And it's also on sale for $3.24 each. I will show you my receipt, the coupons I'll be using for this also. These are all the items I'll be picking up for this spend 30 get $10 bag. And I have a 5 off of 30 next purchase CRT I got from CVS in my email that I will use for this. And I'll use 4 of the buy one get one free from July PNG. It expired on the 16th, so make sure your store is still able to use that. And with that one, it's going to take off $3.24 because that's the price. So it will take off 4 of those. And we all received the buy one get one free in our app today. That will take off $3.30 because that's the maximum amount that will just automatically apply. So I'll end up paying just $11.14 and get $10 back. I will show you guys my receipt. Next deal I'll be adding in this transaction will be the CoverGirl. It's a limit of 1, so this is a different card. I'll be picking up the face blush at $7.99. I'm doing this one different because I have a 3 off of 15 CoverGirl CRT. So I'll pick up the eye pencil at $6.79 also. I need to get to 15, but both of them will bring me up to $14.78, which is within the 98% rule. I just need to get to $14.70. So I'll use a $2 for the face, the blush, and I also use a $2 for the eye pencil. And I'll use the $4 CRT we got last week and also the 3 off of 15. It will bring it down to $3.78, and I'll get my $6 back, making both items free and a $2.22 money maker. Everything worked out as planned. The CRTs, everything came off, and the coupons also applied. You can see how all the buy one get one free, it took off the $3.24 as expected, and also the $2 paper coupon for the CoverGirl. And it also took off the $3.30 from the app, the digital coupon. That one applied automatically. They don't have to enter the amount. And the 5 off of 30, that's my $6 extra care box for the CoverGirl, and that's the $10 for the spend 30 get $10 back. This particular transaction really worked out well. I paid $4.92 out of pocket, and I used the $10 extra care box. Everything worked out well because 10 of those air freshener for just $1.14. This is great. Part of the unadvertised deal, the Joa Cosmetics. It's on spend 12, get $8 back. So at my store, this is priced at $11.99. So I have a 5 off of 10 Joa Cosmetics CRT that I use with this. So I ended up paying just $6.99 and I got $8 back, making this free and a $1.01 money maker. See my receipt, everything worked out fine. $11.99, the 5 off of 10 Joa Makeup CRT, $6 extra care box and 99 cents out of pocket, and I got the $8 back, making it free and a $1.01 money maker. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for coming back and joining me. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I'll see you all next week. Stay safe. Bye-bye.